So in today's video, we are going to be killing every bloater in The Last of Us Part 2 with only a pistol. I feel like this challenge is going to be really fast, and it's going to be pretty easy, I feel like. I feel like it's just going to be easy, because most of the time, bloaters are easy to kill. And I had no mods on, you can tell, because I would not have the one-shot mod on. Okay, like I said, it's going to be pistols only, because that's how it actually goes, and how I said in the title. So, pistol only, every bloater fight. Joel's really helping me a lot right now. Weave. Oh no! Joel? Yes! Thank you, Joel. Okay. Well, damn. Okay, so now Ellie's by herself. And now we are on the arcade bloater, second bloater. Only pistol. I can't even use a revolver, because it's not the pistol. He's gonna pull up, yup. Nope. Okay, he's not going down too easily. No, I'm not gonna run the gas. No, don't worry. Use my... Die, please. Okay. Woo. The last one we are on is the the infected's nest. And we got a teammate and we're playing as Abby this time. I'm gonna get all the zombies right there. I'm gonna throw my like 6 million bombs at them. Boom. I can only use the pistol on the bloater. I can use every... How is you still alive? Okay, where's this bloater, dude? Where is the bloater? Nope. Lev, move. No. You threw it at yourself, you bozo. Reload. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm kind of cornered. Never mind. Oh, I killed you. That was... Yeah, look, he's just like bulletproof armor. There's nothing. Well, yeah,
We did it.
That's it.
We killed that.